All right, so gotta get this thing cleaned off. We're about to install the screen protector. It's Average Tech Guy, and today we are going to be looking at a brand new screen protector that I just got in from Caseology. This is their tempered glass Snapfit, and after that, we're gonna be trying on some of their cases. So let's check this out. So this is the actual kit that I picked up. Now, you got your instructions, you got your actual Snapfit piece that's gonna go around. You got the tempered glass screen protectors. You get two of these. Now, 9H hardness, fingerprint resistant, and you still get the same clarity that you would as if you're looking at your screen itself. So they actually give you some instructions to go with it. We've already been through these instructions, so we're gonna put those to the side for right now. Now, I like to use the little tray that comes with it, and we're gonna snap the phone right in there. So phone should be off. I've already cleaned the screen because we wanna make sure we get all like no static, no dust, no nothing. And it comes with a pack of cleaning stuff like dust remover, alcohol wipes and stuff like that. I just like to wipe it down with a terry cloth. So one thing I do like to go ahead and take out of here is going to be the squeegee, because you're gonna have to press down and kind of smooth some stuff out. So we take the squeegee out. Everything else we're gonna kind of push to the side, but not the cases. We like the cases. We're keeping the cases here. So I'm gonna actually take it off. I think this will be a lot easier. So what I'm gonna do is take this piece off, just like so. We're going to line it up in here. And once we get it lined up, we're gonna press and slide. And then what we'll do is we'll just squeegee all the way to the edge, all the way to the edge, all the way up and down. And from that point, take this off, put all your trash to the side, and you can power your phone back on. While we're waiting on this phone to pop back on, we'll talk about some of these cases. All right, so probably one of the easiest screen installs that I've been able to do on a phone. All you do is just sit it down in there, put the glass on it, and it just kind of adheres by itself. But now let's look at some of the cases, because Caseology actually says that their cases work with that screen protector. So right here we got the Nano Pop. This one is the Parallax. This one is the almighty clear one that they have, the Skyfall. All right, so let's start with Skyfall. Skyfall actually has adhesive strips on the inside as well as the outside, just to protect it till it gets to you. So we are going to tear that off, throw it to the side, and tear that off, throw it to the side. Nice hard rubberized TPU. Snap it in, and that's what it's gonna look like. So if you notice, it's just a clear style casing. You can still see the phone behind there. So we can see everything looks good and it lines up. The buttons on here are nice and tactile. The cutouts match up almost like it's right on the edge, like right there on the edge. Just does match up, but it does. Camera cutout protection for that camera, and then you got everything lining up right down at the bottom as well. The screen protector that we just put on from Caseology, that Snapfit, it works perfect on here. It doesn't have any bubbles, no issues, nothing. Now, I will say that there is a nice raised lip. So if you ever drop it, not only do you have that tempered glass, you have the edging of the case that's gonna protect as well. All right, so this one is easily removed from the bottom. Try to remove it from the bottom versus the top. Just had a lot of issues trying to take it off the top. All right, so what are we looking at next? The Parallax. Parallax is a rubberized TPU. It can bend, has a pattern on the inside. It comes in a lot of different colors. So I'm gonna drop links below so you can check out all this stuff. All right, so with the actual screen protector that we have, it works. No bubbles, no nothing. It doesn't lift up around there, the edges. Buttons nice and tactile. All of our cutouts match up really well. No issues there. Camera is nice and protected behind that lip. It sticks out, so you don't have to worry about any kind of protection. You do get a rigid back here. It's not slippery. It's easy to hold. It doesn't slide out of your hands very easily, and it's not going to add a whole lot of weight to this phone, which is a good thing. So this one is the Parallax. Comes in a lot of different colors. Go by and check it out. Also, it does work with your wireless charge, so don't worry. All these cases are wireless charge capable. Are they MagSafe capable? They are not MagSafe capable because it will fall, but it will charge with your MagSafe charger. You just kind of have to not use a stand. And last but not least, over here is the Nano Pop. Nano Pop, I like it because it comes in two separate colors. I don't like it because you see what I can do to it. It bends up. Now, a lot of these cases, when they do get the phone inside, they actually give you a more rigid edge right around there. Camera bump is nice and protected. Buttons looks really smooth, but it's not slippery. One of the biggest things. Cutouts match up really nicely. No issues there. That screen, once again, it still has not bubbled, has not popped up. There are no issues. And with that screen protector, you're gonna get two in the pack. So that's one of the biggest things. This case is a go, 100%. Like, it's legit. Wireless charge. Let's see. Does work with the MagSafe charger. It will not hold up there, but it will work. Just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, I just put this screen protector on and you still get the same clarity. It's not too reflective. The regular screen is reflective itself, so we didn't add a whole lot of reflection to it, but this is going to add another layer of protection to that device. It didn't bubble up. It was really easy to install, and I hope you guys were able to benefit from it. Go by and check it out. Like I said, you're going to get two of these in the pack. You get a guide, you get squeegee, you get cleaning materials, you get everything that you need to put that screen protector on. And it works with their cases. So I'm going to be leaving this one on. It's supposed to be fingerprint resistant. We'll be checking all that out. And if I have any issues come up, I will let you guys know in a future update. Hopefully this has been able to help you out. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.